In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from a Wise multi-currency account. Step 1. Log into Wise. Open the Wise app or visit www.wise.com and sign in with your account credentials. I'll leave a link to wise.com in the description down below. Step 2. Select the currency balance. Navigate to the Balances section and select the currency balance you wish to withdraw from. Step 3. Choose Withdrawal or Send. Click on Withdraw or Send to initiate transferring funds from your Wise balance. Step 4. Enter bank account details or select Wise cards. Enter the recipient bank account details where the money will be sent, or choose to use your Wise multi-currency card to withdraw cash at ATMs. Step 5. Enter withdrawal amount. Input the amount you want to withdraw. Check any fees and conversion rates that apply. Step 6. Confirm and complete withdrawal. Review all details and confirm the withdrawal. You will receive a notification when the transaction is processed. Now I have some tips for you. You can withdraw funds in the same currency or convert before withdrawing. Wise allows fee-free ATM withdrawals up to monthly limits using the Wise multi-currency cards. Withdrawals to bank accounts may take a few hours to several days, depending on the destination country and currency. And that's how you withdraw from a multi-currency account with Wise. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below and I'll try to help you out.